Hello student, once again welcome to my YouTube channel Navodaya Academy. We are Navodaya Kalam se Kranti. In today's video, we are going to discuss about question number 3 from the chapter motion. In this question, it is given that there is a boy whose name is Abdul, who is going to his school with an average speed of 20 km per hour, and during the return trip from school to home, his average speed is 30 km per hour. If Abdul is taking the same route, then it is asked us to calculate the average speed of the Abdul throughout the journey. So first let us understand what is the formula which we have to use here to calculate the average speed throughout the journey. Now we know that average speed can be calculated by total distance travelled upon में total time taken. So first thing which we have to known here is that distance between Abdul school and his home. Let us assume that the distance between Abdul school and his home is D, and we have to also assume that the time taken by Abdul during going to school is T1, and the time taken by the Abdul during the return trip is T2. So according to this formula, total distance will become D plus D and total time taken will become T1 plus T2. So average speed of the Abdul throughout the journey will become D plus D upon T1 plus T2. If we add D plus D, then it will become 2D upon T1 plus T2. Now see here why we are taking here D plus D. We have asked to calculate the average speed throughout the journey. That means for first time when Abdul is going from his home to school, he has to travel distance D, and during the return trip from school to home, he is taking the same route. Then again he has to travel the same distance, that is D. So the distance which is travelled by Abdul during his home to school is D, and the distance which is travelled by the Abdul from his school to home is also D. That's why we are taking D plus D. D and D both are like terms, so it will become 2D, and time taken in the first journey is T1 and the second journey is T2. That's why it will become T1 plus T2. Now if we know the value of T1 and T2, then we can easily calculate the average speed of the Abdul throughout the journey. Now if we consider the first scenario, when Abdul is going from his home to school, his average speed is given 20 km per hour. If we put the value of 20 km per hour and distance D and the time interval T1 in the above formula, then it will become 20 is equal to D by T2. Now we have to calculate T2 from here. Sorry, it will become T1, isn't it? Because T1 is the time interval which is taken by Abdul when he is going from his home to school. So T1 will be equal to D upon 20. Now during the return trip from school to home, if we calculate T2 from the average speed formula, then it will become 30 is equal to D by T2. So from here we are getting T2 is equal to D upon 30. This is our equation number second, because equation number first one is this one, and this is equation number third. If we put the value of T1 and T2 from equation 2 and 3 in equation 1, then what we will get? Now after putting the value of T1 and T2 in the equation number 1, we are getting 2D upon D by 20 plus D by 30. If we take the LCM of 20 and 30, we are getting 60. If we divide 20 in 60, then we are getting 3. So it will become 3D. If we divide 30 by 30 to 60, we are getting 2. So it will become 2D. So from here we are getting 2D divided by 5D upon 60. Now it will become 2D into 60 upon 5D. D and D cancel out. If we divide 60 by 5, we are getting here 12. So we are getting here 2 into 12. It will be coming around 24 km per hour, isn't it? So the average speed of Abdul throughout the journey will be 24 km per hour. This much is sufficient for this video. We will meet soon in the next video. Till that, please like, share and subscribe to our channel, because your subscription is our motivation. Thank you.